Okay, we go back to the sport class semi-final. Sport class semi-final, top 4 guys. I will first call Mr. Takahiro versus Mr. Ari. So, okay, the lead car will be okay, we have Takahiro versus Ari. Ari will be standing on the left. These are the top 4 drivers for sport class. Ari is standing on the left and Mr. Takahiro is standing on the right. The lead car is Mr. Takahiro white color car. Let's check that and get that right. Okay, Ari with his adjustments. We'll give you the time, don't worry. Okay, good, nice. Ready, drivers. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, nice. Takahiro leading here while Ari follows. Ari following really close behind both. Almost at the same time. This is really close. Very, very close. So Ari putting the pressure on Takahiro. Very close. Very close. I like that kind of action from the start. Okay, Ari has an advantage into the second run. Okay, ready, drivers. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Ari in the lead, while Mr. Takahiro will follow. Ari putting a distance there between himself. Very nice line by Ari. Takahiro very skillful to catch up. Wow, but the speed there is just, you can't chase that car. Okay, one more time, we're going to do this. Lead car. Takahiro alright, very nice. Okay, ready, drivers. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Ari will have to repeat his performance if he wants some marks. Takahiro will give the hardest line for Ari to follow, but Ari is being very, very stable here. Being able to follow Takahiro all the way. Okay, Ari advantage again, just like the first run, going into the second run. Let's see what happens this time. Okay, now Ari will lead while Mr. Takahiro will follow. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Ari here set line for Mr. Takahiro to follow, but Mr. Takahiro is really close. Ari must see the track. Oh my God! That is not convenient. Ari takes the round. Thank you very much. Okay, next up, Mr. Alim versus Mr. Gatot from Indonesia. Mr. Alim is from Sabah. So yes, we've got Sabah versus Indonesia here. Alim versus Gatot. Gatot is wearing the red jacket with the red cap and he's running the orange car, while Alim will run the black, the blue and red car, BMW from yeah. Oh no, yeah, that's his car, yeah. Alright, the lead car will be, okay, Alim will lead, yeah, Alim leads and Gatot follows, good, alright. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Alim BMW, let's see what Gatot has to offer in his orange car. Wow, some speed here from Alim. Gatot seems to keep inside the track from distance here from both drivers. And apparent speed difference. Okay, Alim gets the advantage going into the second run. Now Gatot still lead. Let's see what line he can produce. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, very nice here. Gatot in the first one. The flag comes on as the marshal is not happy with that start. The cars have to be nice and fair coming out of that corner. No advantage to each car. So ready as we restart. 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, Gatot in orange car. Alim there putting very early pressure, but yes, Marshall says okay. Both cars goes out, Alim loses control completely, and Gatot will just have to going to run the third versus one phase as we get Mr. Takahiro on stage. This is for the third and fourth phase for the sport class. Okay, very nice. We have both drivers on stand. Okay, Ali in the lead, sorry. Ali will be in the lead. And Mr. Takahiro will follow. Okay, sorry, yeah? 3 minutes. Okay, thanks. Pasal third and fourth is 2 tables colliding from the left and right, so we just got to check back. Okay, ready? Drifters. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Mr. Takahiro is going to set a line for Mr. Ali to follow. Both cars over the bump at almost the same time. Very nice outside line here by Mr. Nizam, but Ali is really good at pressuring his leader. Advantage to Mr. Nizam for having a really nice line there. Okay, switch it up. Okay, ready, drivers. 3, 2, 1, go! Ali lead here, alright. Abang Nizam following really close behind. 1, 2 cars at the bump, very nice. Ali taking more the outside line, really outside. Takahiro having to pause his car to slow down and follow on the outside. Okay, thank you very much. We will announce the results. Third and fourth, second and first will inform later. So thank you very much.